Hi, this is Neil-Asher from the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, where we help people just like you get themselves up, running and selling things on Amazon here in Australia. We've got over 2,000 members who've collectively sold over $50 million worth of their stuff on Amazon right around the world. You can find out more by going to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get into the Amazon Editorial Recommendations area on the search engine results page. Right, let's move on. Next one. This one comes from Mary Holmes. So let me just dump that one and dump that one and dump that one. So this one comes from Mary Holmes. This is another kind of Amazon hacky thing, and I've covered this in my Amazon Inner Circle. I believe I covered this in December, all about how to utilize this as part and parcel of a overall crazy launch strategy. However, let me give you some kind of some insights into it. So here we are on a search engine. Dog nail clippers is the search that we've searched for. Bum, bum, bum. So we're going to scroll down, and of course we've got the bestseller. Look at that, 2 bestsellers on the same one. One in cat claw care, another one in dog claw care. That's an interesting thing, don't you think? So highly rated clippers, that's Amazon kind of utilizing some more real estate. And then you've got a sponsored brand listing with a video which is super sexy, and then you've got this editorial recommendations. Look how high these rank in the search. So that is sponsored listing, somebody's paying to be there. This is also sponsored, somebody's paying to be there. Okay, pay, that's with brand registry. Pay, anybody can be here. And then you've got some organic search results, super cool. Then you've got Amazon utilizing their own listings to create different versions of it, highly rated versions. And then you've got a sponsored listing through brand registry. And then you've got editorial recommendations. So as far as Amazon's concerned, these are hugely important. And the reason they're important is because they leverage social. They leverage social influence, and they look very organic within the search pages. And Amazon is doing this more and more. So the question is, how the bloody hell do you get into that area? It's actually pretty easy to get into this area. So let me give you a little bit of background, and then we can suss out if it's for you or not. So first of all, this is part and parcel of something that Amazon used to do with what's called their associate program. So this kind of replaced their associate program to a lesser degree anyway, because this is not Amazon putting this here. These are actually put here by websites who are affiliates for Amazon. So all of these listings right here are basically affiliates on Amazon who've got their products that they're recommending into that area. Okay, so that's how that works. And then the people who've got their products here, or these products here, not necessarily their products, get paid a commission, small commission, anywhere from 2% up to 10%, but it's more likely around that 5% mark anytime somebody makes a sale. Okay, so if we click here, buy that product, the affiliate Dog Gear, that place right there, will make 5% of that. So what's that? $1. Okay, so that's how that works. That's what that's all about. And if you go here, you can see the on-site associate program, which is different to the normal associate program. On-site associate program is kind of explained there. So, question. First of all, how do we get here? So, here's the people or the company that has gotten there, Dog Gear. Let's just click into them. So here they are. And you can see all they do, they're not selling anything, they're not doing anything. All they do is recommend products on their website, and then they have joined up to the on-site associate program, and now Amazon takes information from their website and puts it onto the Amazon website as these quote unquote referrals, okay? Social proof, editorial recommendation, referrals. So, how the hell, Asher, do we get here? It's actually pretty simple. You pay to get there. That's it. You pay to get there. But there's some caveats to this. So, first of all, there are, I don't know about thousands, I certainly know there's hundreds of these companies, like this dog gear company, which is just a website. You can go check it out, dog-gear.com. Here you go. Bum, bum, bum. And all they do is they just do product reviewers masquerading as or affiliate products masquerading as product reviewers. Okay, so if I click on shop now, you can see that takes me to an Amazon page, and look, the tag here, that tells me that's an affiliate tag. That's what that is. It's an affiliate tag. Okay, so all of this stuff here, it's all affiliate products. So how do you get here? Answer the frigging question, Asher. Simple. You contact them. Contact them here, and you inquire about getting your product onto their website as part and parcel of the on-site Amazon Associate Program. It's really that simple. However, here's some things to consider. This is not a beginner's strategy. It is not a beginner's strategy. And that is because they won't consider you unless you are making sales. So your listing is proven to convert, you're making sales, and you've got some reviewers. I reckon 100 reviews from what I've seen is what you need. And you're not selling something that's in one of those kind of dangerous niches like sex toys or something really dangerous like that. You're not selling something that is kind of dangerous for Amazon, okay? But given that's the case, it's actually super simple to do. You can get yourself there, and these sell like gangbusters. They sell a shitload because it's good social engineering. It's really good social proof to be in there. You'll sell a lot. So this can absolutely replace your Amazon PPC spend, for instance. Like, you wouldn't need to do both. You could do both, but you wouldn't need to do both. Anything else I want to say about that? There's some other things you can do, but that's much more advanced. Again, I covered all that in my inner circle. I don't reckon this is the right place to talk about the more advanced stuff that you can do with this. Suffice to say, it's pretty easy to get there. You find out who's in your niche, who's part and parcel of that. Given that you've got good reviews and you're making sales, it's actually super easy to get into that area. So you're presenting. Yes, Amanda can definitely put some reviews in there for you. It's the affiliate program for USA only. Well, simple thing to check. Why don't we go check? Like, and what was dog? I don't think they've launched it here yet. But let's go look. Ooh, clippers. Asher can't type. Clippers. Numpty. So what's on this particular one? Oh my god, look at that. Can you believe? Look at that. That image is just woeful. But 4,068 things. Anyway, so doesn't look like it's here. So in Australia, it's not there yet. So you can either see that as a, oh, it's not there yet, or you could see it as a, it's not there yet. That means I could build my own website reviewing products so that when it launched, I can apply and get accepted. That's how I would personally see that, as a crazy opportunity. I know that it's in the UK because I use it in the UK. I don't really know about any other areas. The thing I did on Inner Circle, for instance, we demoed on my UK thing. So it's all there for you. It's there for the taking, should you want it. That video was taken from my normal Monday night open forum Q&A session where the 2,000 plus members of the Aussie online entrepreneurs jump on a call together and they just ask me heaps and heaps of questions and I answer for them live. If you'd like to find out more about joining us at the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, we've got over 2,000 members and growing. We're the fastest growing e-commerce community here in Australia. Then you can find out more by going to www.aussieonlineentrepreneur.com.au. See you next time.